A very good wishes to one and everyone present here. I am Shripati Bhatt, Assistant Professor and Center Coordinator of Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design Department, NIFT Mumbai. First of all, on behalf of the entire department, I congratulate here our precious 34 students who are graduating from the institute this year. And more important than anything else, their parents who have woven their dreams together since ever to see their kids reap their success stories. This one being a major step in their long success journey ahead on their way. Here on this occasion, I would like to welcome Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala, Director NIFT Mumbai. Thank you, sir, for being here. I would also like to extend welcome and thank our chairperson of F&LA department, Professor Dr. G. Chiranjeevi Reddy. Now, before moving ahead, I would like to give a warm welcome to all those who have spared their time today to witness this auspicious moment where these young designers go live and professional into their future endeavors. Also, I welcome people from the industry, our faculty associates and officials, faculties of different NIFT centers, guest faculties, industry experts, alumni, workshop masters, craftsmen, traditional practitioners, artisans and parents of the students of the graduating batch. Rather, everyone present here and all those people who have been a part of their 4-year journey until here. The Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design Department at NIFT Mumbai offers a strong infrastructure and resource bank to students. Inputs given to students range from theory in design, trends and marketing, research to hands-on material handling in the related workshops to depict the innovative ideas. The students develop a fine acumen of correlating aesthetics and functionality that provide substantiated answers to the consumer needs of present times. In the span of 4 years, during this course, students develop a vision of understanding the past and current events and foresee the probable scenario of future. Now with this, we have come to this day of Tavosian 2021, which is a celebration of imaginations and innovations by these 34 creative able minds. Each and every one of them is a beautiful, gifted, ingenious mind, unique in their own way, which they have proven and will do, I am sure, in their careers. Building together and co-creating, we believe this ocean of talent and growth shall embark on an endless journey of achievements from here on in. Due to the new normals, few things have changed around us, like the nature of many events to go in a virtual online mode from a face-to-face physical mode. How we come together in Tavosian 2021 to witness the zeal and jubilation of these students even in the challenging times of the changing environments. Now I would like to invite our chairperson, Professor Dr. G. Chiranjeevi Reddy, to share his thoughts with these students. Welcome you here, sir. It has been your immense support that has given us the path and approach to always grow and strive for better. Now I would like to invite our chairperson, Professor Dr. G. Chiranjeevi Reddy, to share his thoughts with the students. Welcome you here, sir.
Dear graduating students of Accessory Design Mumbai, it is indeed a very proud moment for all us that you are finally getting awarded with degrees and are entering a new phase of your professional life, despite the hurdles you have been facing for the last 1.5 years due to COVID pandemic first and second waves. I am sure that your acquired knowledge, developed skills, and a positive attitude towards projects and research you gained in the institution will benefit you in your personal and professional career. The sensitization you got towards best practices in the area of traditional and conventional crafts through direct exposure is an advantage. I am sure your acquired and practiced multidisciplinary knowledge will help you to reach the noble goals you have been aspiring for and will make this institution proud of you. Society needs responsible accessory designers and academicians. I hope you will grab the right opportunity and will support the future development of the accessory design department and the institution. I wish all the budding graduates a success in all your future endeavors. Congrats to Team Mumbai. Best of luck all. Thank you.
Inspiring words, sir, and thank you for that. These 4 years have been filled with sharing of ideas and interactions through classroom sessions, workshops, lab sessions at the institute, and also through the wire at your homes as the frames have changed in the last year and a half. The mentors who have tried their best to impart their best to these students in the normal as well as new normal scenarios, solving doubts, giving inputs at different times throughout their projects in the different subjects. Thanks to the faculty team for serving your best even while the challenges faced by trying everything to build the genius in these creative minds. Now I would like to invite the faculty team of FNLA NIFT Mumbai to share a few words from times they have interacted with these graduating students.
Hello everyone. Best wishes of our time to all the people who are here to volunteer event this year that we are celebrating with the passing out of our 4th year students into the open professional outsets. So here as we have seen last year and a half, it's been a very challenging time over the various verticals across different streams. So it has been the case with our industry as well. So we in accessory design department here have worked on development of new ideas, nurturing the innovative mindsets to create new avenues, new opportunities in various verticals in the product design domain, in accessories, in home decor, in jewelry, and other specific areas like packaging, which are related to these core verticals that we have. So this year we have our students who have faced various challenges in arranging for their opportunities in their given streams of their interest, their specializations, and then working on those opportunities to create the best outcome possible out of those opportunities. So all the students that we have this year who are passing out, they have worked in different product categories, in different scenarios, and in different genres the industries are working with respect to their product category. So congratulations to this whole batch in an event which we call Taocean. That is our graduation show, which is going to take place just what you will witness in the coming time. And I appreciate the entire effort of the entire batch and the whole bunch of students who will be going out to the industry, and congratulate them to do the best to their skills, their innovative outsets that they have gathered, and the experience that they have gained through this graduation project. So all the best and good luck to all of you. Innovative Minds has been a proud association with you, all of you, for these past 4 years, and we'll be there with you to help in whichever possible way in the academic nature or anything beyond this. This is your home, first home, and all the best. Take care, good luck, and do your best. We're proud of you.
Congratulations to this wonderful batch for their well-deserved success. Your new journey or new career chapter is going to start. So some of you may have planned to join new companies, may have planned to start new startup, or planning to join higher studies. So there will be lots of ups and downs in your career or in your working style. So just little thing want to add, you may not get the environment which you got here in the campus. So do not worry, just confident on your skill, on your strength, and on your potential. It will help you to grow up. Now it's the time to congratulate me, because it's a proud moment for me as a faculty members, as a faculty whom I taught. The students are graduating in front of me. So it's a proud moment for me. Now I am congratulating again you. So all the best for your future and many more achievements. All the best. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Heartiest congratulations for your successful completion of bachelor's degree from NIFT. I'm sure it must have been an overwhelming journey for you all, one you will remember throughout your life. As for me, I have been teaching you since your foundation program and in the department also, and have literally seen you growing up in these 4 years. Unfortunately, last year we could not meet due to the pandemic, but thanks to the digital platform, we could still be very well connected. Now it's time for you to think about your future. You may do your further studies in the area of your interest, or you may just step into a professional world working in an industry or start your own entrepreneurial projects and generate jobs that way for others also. As I have mentioned you earlier, probably you all are in the right field, as there are artificial intelligence who are doing all the mundane repetitive work with the power of decision making also. But what it lacks is the creativity, the emotions, empathy, which are quite unique human abilities. So you need to apply them to your advantage. Yeah, there could be some ups and downs in your life, which you have to take in your stride and not let it bother you or pull you down. Eventually, you will be able to sail through quite smoothly. I wish and bless you wholeheartedly for a very bright and blissful future to all. Stay happy, healthy, keep ticking, and stay connected with all of us and your friends. Good luck.
Dear graduate ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor that I speak to you today as a guest faculty to celebrate the achievement of you all during these extraordinary and difficult times. It has been a long, perhaps exhausting, and not always fun, but certainly a fruitful and rewarding journey. Congratulations to all of you, most well deserved. When I reflect on years of teaching and sharing with you all, I feel confident that with a bit more practice, you can envision solutions to nearly any problem with your skill set. It is my personal belief that possession of these skills and experiences have transformed you all into real citizens of the modern world. Those who are able to adapt to critical circumstances and provide solutions to humanity's grand challenges. During the current pandemic, as it is ongoing, you all realized how fragile normality is. That in a blink of an eye, the whole world can turn around, and what you had previously considered normal or which you have taken for granted simply does not exist anymore. Who knows what tomorrow may bring us? Who can even predict what normality will look like in the near future? These uncertainties should not be a personal impediment, but rather an opportunity to modify your ways of thinking, to be creative in your own ideas, and redefine your approaches to problem management and solutions. You now know what it takes to achieve the target that you have set, and we all hope that we have provided the right ammunition that will make those become a reality. A great designer finds a way to serve themselves and others at the same time. So on this day of celebration, I hope you all reflect on these big problems facing humanity, reflect on what you believe is right, and reflect on your role which you have in shaping this world. Congratulations once again, everyone. Cheers and best of luck.
Heartiest congratulations to all the graduating students of 2021 and to their proud parents and mentors. It has been an incredible journey of 4 years for all the faculty members in AT department at NIFT to walk you through the nuances and elements of accessory design. This day marks an important milestone in your lives, a day to celebrate and a day that will live with you for all times to come. Your learning journey does not end here, but I would say it is from here that your learning graph starts. It is now that you as young intellectual and creative adults will step into the real world, whether to study further or to start working. Sharing with you my experience when I graduated 45 years ago was that the industry is vastly different from the college environment. Adapting myself to the industry needs, thought process of my seniors and clients was a seamless and effortless journey for me. This was only because I did not stop learning when I graduated, but kept it going. This has been my biggest takeaway in my design career so far. It is a totally different ballgame when you start work. It feels as if you're starting from scratch, where you learn the finer details of design, execution, client requirement, and its practical implementation. How you construct and deduce meaning from your experiences gained along the way will shape you into fine professionals. There will be testing moments and challenges thrown at you during the project execution, but these should not pull you down. Instead, they should bring out the best in you, because as they say, that when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Your real success comes when you work passionately to ensure that every project is rendered within the decided time with the client. With this, I once again take the opportunity to congratulate all of you for this achievement and wish you all a successful, fun-filled, and a fruitful career and life ahead. Thank you.
Hello, my dear students. Over the last 4 years that have been, you've left behind your comfort zone and initiated a journey where you've known your values and priorities, built your friends and helped them succeed, achieved a little every day, have been honest to yourself, worked towards a purpose, picked and dusted yourself up after being given a feedback and improvised work, believed in the power of possibility, and hence you are a winner. Each one of you is a winner. I'd like to quote the noted essayist Ralph Waldo Emerson. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters as compared to what lies within us. Now that you have initiated exploring the power within to be the best version of yourself, continue honing your skills acquired at NIFT further. Congratulations on earning your graduation degree and wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, the faculty team. Surely the messages shall be the guiding light for the students in their future journeys. Thank you all for your motivating words to these young designers as they have ocean of opportunities in front of them. The team of guides and mentors, it was a spectacle to share their memories of the times spent with you people. We are fortunate to have the able and worthy pool of faculties with us. Thank you, the faculty team. The students of Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design, NIFT Mumbai, have completed their graduation projects in various verticals during the final semester at NIFT. They have gone into the areas of lifestyle product design, luxury product design, jewelry design, furniture and home decor, lighting and installation, bags and wearables, toys and kids product, automobile accessories, utility accessories, fashion footwear and graphic design. Students have also explored the promising areas like 3D printing, product packaging design, and created value in design and development in their respective verticals in the socio-business scenarios. This landscape of exposure has given the students a zoomed in understanding of the latest happenings for the building up a wholesome design thought process in the students' minds, which has made them ripe and ready for the industry. After the completion of the graduation project, a jury panel selects the best 3 projects in 3 categories, which are best graduation project, most commercially viable design intervention, most exemplary application of design methodology. I would now invite Director NIFT Mumbai, Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala. Sir, with your support and guidance, we have been able to come to this day. Welcome, sir. And may I request you to announce the names of 3 award winners and share a few words with the students.
Graduation Award 2021 for Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design Department. The nominees for Best Graduation Projects are Natasha Narendra Singh Tukare, Lavdeep Shivare and Tanvi Kedar Gokhale. The award goes to Tanvi Kedar Gokhale. For Most Commercially Viable Design Intervention Award, the nominees are Natasha Narendra Singh Tukare, Lavdeep Shivare and Tanvi Kedar Gokhale. The award goes to Natasha Narendra Singh Tukare. For Most Exemplary Application of Design Methodology Award, nominees are Lavdeep Shivare, Natasha Narendra Singh Tukare and Tanvi Kedar Gokhale. The award goes to Lavdeep Shivare.
Thank you so much for the motivation to the students. These thoughts shall be the source and inspiration throughout their career pathways ahead. Congratulations to the students in each of 3 categories, as well as to all of the students who have made it this so far. You have done an excellent job. Now I shall invite you all to take a walk through the works of these students. We shall take a tour of these creative pursuits together one by one, hereby requesting you to present the work of these students.
Hello everyone, I am Lavdeep Shivare and I have done my graduation project in riding gear design and got an opportunity to work with India's leading riding gear brand, Rhinox Gear. My core objective in my GP was to develop luggage system for various type of bikes and to design brand's topmost flagship level riding jacket. Starting with the introduction of brand, Rhinox Gear was born to provide quality riding gear and luggage at an affordable price range without compromising the quality and criticality of the gear. Protection, comfort, reliability and style have been the pillars of the brand and they embrace it with the quote, "Quality is not an act, it's an habit." Now let us know more about the user profile. These are young-hearted people for whom riding a bike is not just a mode of transportation. It's a feeling to get out of their comfort zone and go for a motor ride in the leap of Mother Nature, for having a change from their daily life and routine and exploring new places, people and food. And for them, happiness lies in the journey more than the destination. They have a lively personality traits and have strong brand affiliation towards brands like GoPro, Adidas, Canon, etc. Coming to the first design collection brief, I have to design and develop their upcoming luggage bag collection consisting of tank bag and tail bag for adventure or navigator bikes. Starting with the tank bag, so they are luggage bag which are designed in such a way that it can easily be placed on the tank of a bike for easy access to all the users' important stuff, and it can also be worn as a backpack. Before starting, the brief and the navigating table is being provided to have a clear guidance throughout the project. Further, mood board and color scheme was finalized, in which the combination of black and high vis or high vision green color is being chosen for greater daytime visibility. Further, form factor and side view exploration is being done, and I have used various techniques for different looks like paneling, printing, draping, piping and usage of mesh, etc. Also, various logo application was being explored. Once the design is being approved, Further views and technical details are being sketched down, like the internal organizer, the mounting mechanism, backpack strap construction, and other major minor details. Further prototype is being made, which undergo vigorous testing, and all feedback and correction are being rectified in the next prototype version. Multiple prototyping and testing cycle is being done so that a good long-lasting quality product can be provided to the customer. These are some of the various views of the tank bag prototype, and it comprises of inclined base form factor which matches the bike tank shape, includes usage of MOLLE panel at the top for modularity and attaching various accessory. Multiple external pocket with quick access mesh pocket is being provided for consumers frequently use small items like sanitizer, mask, etc. And here are the outer chute of the bag mounted on the bike. Here you can see how easy it is to unmount the bag for fueling, and the base harness is designed in such a way that it can be adjusted according to the fuel cap position without displacing the bag's true placement. Also on the other side you can see the internal organizing layout of the bag to keep the rider's necessary stuff organized. Now coming to the second bag of the collection, that is tail bag. So tail bag are a kind of bag which a rider use for long drive and which can be fixed on the back of the motorcycle seat, and it can carry a good amount of user storage. After getting the design style of the previous bag, same design DNA is being carried forward in this bag also. And here are the final technical drawing of the tail bag, which comprises of isometric drawing of the bag, backpack strap design, MOLLE grid, and inner dry bag layout. And again, after vigorous prototypes and testing, these are some of the images of the final prototype. The bag includes a main large compartment, 2 flushed in side pocket, 2 mesh pocket, and tuck-in shoulder straps. And most importantly, both the bags are equipped with the best abrasion resistant Cordura polyester fabric, reflective Noctex fabric, foam based padding and YKK fittings, and tear resistant Hypalon material on MOLLE panel. And here comes the product banner. And here comes the outdoor chute, which you can sit, relax and observe the tiny details that are being cared of. Here you can see the use of Noctex reflective material, brand's latest innovation in fabric, on strategic areas to reflect from where other vehicle can approach. This will help the rider to be visible to the other riders on the road, which will eventually reduce the chance of any crashes. Here you can see the clear difference these reflective material create. Also, these results are being taken in a still state, and you can imagine the difference it will create when all the vehicles are moving at high speed. And with that, this collection gets ended. The next design brief was to design a hardshell tank bag for the sport bike market, which was eventually having the traits of being hardshell, strong, eye-catchy, aerodynamic, etc. The construction of this bag consists of 3 parts: molded upper lid, the bottom part, and the magnetic ring mechanism. So here are the molded outer lid explorations that are being done, and with that further project development cannot be disclosed. Now coming to the next project, which is to design the brand's topmost flagship riding jacket, which would cost around 25 to 30,000 Indian rupee. For this project, a lot of research is being done on the materials for various applications on the jacket, and a very new aquamarine green color is being chosen, which are nowadays used by high fashion brands. And here's the final design development of the jacket, which will have world's best material like the ceramic welded super fabric on impact areas like the shoulder and elbow, Dynatech nylon mesh on the main body and arms for ventilation, Noctex reflective material on the neck for visibility, 4-way stretched 1000 denier Cordura micro mesh at stretch zones like armpit and lateral smirk, and many more. And I can't even more emphasize on the criticality of the right material at the right place to make the jacket utmost comfortable and ready to take any unfortunate event on the road. And now comes the other Explode design with the same material construction. And with that said, it's the end of my graduation project. Thank you for being till here. I really gained a lot of knowledge in Rhinox gear and understood the importance of these riding gears in a rider's life, where he trusts the brand and get assured for any further challenges and can ride confidently on any road terrain. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi Gokhale from the Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design Department from NIFT Mumbai. I did my graduation project at Boeing, A Happy Start, which is a kids' furniture, decor and lifestyle company based in Gurgaon. It prides itself on having an exclusively crafted range for kids, which is designed and manufactured in-house. It is fun and functional, hence appealing to the kids and parents alike. The brand offers customization and customized solutions for almost all of the products. Having my workplace in the manufacturing unit itself gave me a huge advantage. I could see from the first day the process that was being followed, the machinery, materials and equipment that was being used, and the people with whom I would be working with specifically. It also gave me great satisfaction to see my designs come to life. Lampshades is a collection of fun, coordinated and safe table lamps designed for kids. My inspiration came from quirky toys, geometric shapes and crayon sketches, something which is very easily associated with children. The overall product design process that I followed was ideating and prototyping, then the sourcing of new raw materials, getting an approval for manufacturing, which led to the final product. The ideation focused on bringing out an attractive and playful aspect to the concept of a lampshade. Prototyping. The focus was on using as many existing materials as possible, thus leading to brainstorming for creative forms. At the same time, the product had to have a sturdy assembly and no exposed parts, as it was designed for use in a children's bedroom. Apart from these existing materials used by the company, the lamps required other materials like acrylic metal and electrical fittings. They were sourced and accordingly finalized. After testing the new raw materials, the final forms were approved for manufacturing according to the production efficiency and cost. The next step was to develop prints for the shade and get them color corrected to be printed on fabric. The final product with colorful prints and playful shapes, which can be used as a decor product during the day and a night lamp to ward off the monsters at night. The other small projects that I did at Boeing included wall lamps, mirrors, and wallpapers. What did the whole process and the project teach me? Boeing, being a startup, did not really have a design team, so it was up to me to convince them that my process would yield good results. What is the company all about? It taught me to understand the role that I am going to play in the whole process. Get your hands dirty. A good design on paper may not turn out to be the best product. Prototyping and experimenting will help you bring out the best possible final output. Follow the process for a truly unique design. You may be given references and time limits, but try to stick to the process to develop a product which has a unique touch to it. You have to be versatile and it can never be my way or the highway. Get as many inputs as you can from the whole team. This constructive criticism can actually be the first reality check of your design. It taught me to keep documenting the whole process of design and production so that I could go back and refer to it whenever necessary. It taught me to bring out all my creative juices, not only in my individual product but also in the other work which was being done at the company. It helped me to get a deeper understanding about the company, the target market, and the process that any new product that is designed will have to go through. It taught me to deal with various kinds of people like the vendors and the clients. It taught me that each person has to be respected for the work they do and that each individual is equally important in the process. It also taught me to assume responsibility for any mistake that was done in the process of experimentation. Working in a startup has given me an unparalleled first experience in the industry. I am grateful for this opportunity and the freedom that I had to experiment and explore with my ideas in the company and for the support given to me by the college faculty. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Natasha Turkar from the Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design Department, class of 2021, and I'm thrilled to be sharing my graduation project titled After the Future, sponsored by the Great Eastern Home. Years ago, prominent movements such as Art Deco and Futurism visualized a future for mankind. However, as we are already living in that envisioned future, this project raises a question of what lies in terms of visual aesthetics ahead for us, especially in future residences. The collections have been designed keeping in mind the evolved consumer routines and mindset in a hyper-connected post-pandemic society. The first collection, titled Rerooted, explores our evolved and symbiotic relationship with nature after prolonged periods of lockdown during the pandemic. The range includes a room divider screen called Origin, which draws from the ancient symbolism of a banyan tree, strength, longevity, and resilience, which are the emotional priorities in today's climate of acceleration and uncertainty. Blending the great outdoors with the indoor environment, Foliage, a pedestal lamp, gives the soft effect of virtual escapism through its lighting, resembling something belonging to an outworldly garden. The third product, New Leaf, draws its inspiration from the sculptural form of a banana leaf, while subtly exuding the grandeur of Art Deco, striking the visual balance between nature and craftsmanship. While mimicking the warm tones and soft hues of the golden hour, this final product is designed to create a serene and calming ambience. Here is a glimpse of all the products from the Rerooted product collection. The second part of the project is a print design collection, exploring the duality in urban spaces, the idea of cities straddling on a thin line between progress and preservation. As cities reawaken after lockdown, there is a renewed sense of community, but also a lasting feeling of being comfortable by oneself, resulting in people coming together but as a desynchronized community, as represented through this print. The title of the second print, Skylines, refers to both the distinct skyline of a city and the literal lines which form the background of this print, depicting the frequencies of radio waves emitted as a result of our hyperconnectivity. The third print represents the complex, fast-paced environment of cities, aptly termed the urban jungle. While the final print shows a renewed sense of respect and reconnection with nature, where we hopefully strike a balance and learn to coexist in harmony with the ecosystem. The pandemic will naturally have a lasting impact on our approach to the design process. I would like to conclude by sharing one of the most important insights that I gained from this project. As essential as it is to preserve our classics, it is equally important to acknowledge and draw from the contemporary and revised reality we live in now, which would be a thoughtful step towards designing for a post-pandemic society. Thank you.
During the course of completion of 4 years, we have had numerous interactions with the industry experts in different domains. Various experts from the industry have interacted with these students from their domain perspectives in classrooms, webinars, live sessions, studio workshops, classroom projects and juries. I would like to extend my thanks to all those industry experts, and we are so fortunate to have you share your knowledge and expertise with our students. Now I would like to invite 3 such guests from our industry experts team to share their feedback and thoughts with these students. I would like to now invite Mr. Rajesh Kumar. Mr. Rajesh Kumar is currently serving as Chief Executive Officer of Asha Handicraft Association, a leading fair trade organization on global platform. He began his career as engineer in submarine arm of Indian Navy. After voluntarily retiring from Indian Navy, he worked with various non-profit organizations. He has worked among students, youth, prisoners, Mumbai police and community at large. Later, he came into the field of education. After finishing his bachelor's and master's degree in education, he worked as principal and vice president in Treehouse Education Group. His major areas of expertise are operations management, business development, project management, leadership and mentoring. He is passionate about preserving, protecting and promoting Indian handicrafts and Indian artisans. He travelled extensively to the Indian craft centers and worked at grassroots level to understand the plight and opportunities of handicraft sector. He advocates the cause of Indian handicrafts and their artisans at domestic and international forums through workshops, seminars, talks and advocacy. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Utkarsh Gautam. Mr. Utkarsh Gautam is a design head at Atomberg Technologies Private Limited as a part of core team. He has been associated with ITC Limited, Kolkata as a technologist, Promens India Private Limited as a product development manager, Lumium as a senior industrial engineer and Force Motors as an assistant manager. His industrial work experience provides him an opportunity to assimilate knowledge inclusive of design strategy and project management process with focus on user, usage, medium. As a creative professional, he strives to look deeper into the interaction of past and present between living, non-living and virtual world. Now I would introduce Ms. Anchal Nivetia. Ms. Anchal Nivetia is a co-founder of Remona.com. She was the head of merchandising, e-commerce of Geetanjali Jewels, director of Infini Jewel Synergies Private Limited, head of product development and merchandising of Geetanjali for US market. She is a fine jewelry specialist with vast knowledge of product, merchandising, marketing and e-commerce for domestic as well as international market. Her area of interest is jewelry design, history of jewelry and researching history and understanding the journey and origins stories of luxury brands. Now I would like to request the industry experts to share their message with graduating students.
Hello my design colleagues. I have been associated with this wonderful institute since some time. And the passion and skills of mentors and mentees here has been worth observing. Especially I will mention this powerful case as how beautifully you all had shown the skills, courage and strength to overcome unseen obstacles during the COVID times and delivered on the commitments, thereby realizing what the Sanskrit shloka says, Yatha yekena chakrena na rathasya gatir bhavet evam parushkarena vina daivam na siddhyati. Today we are celebrating an enrichment of this unique tribe where you would be entering an important phase of your journey. And as the trend evolves towards the fast changes, Word is looking forward from you to lead these unique challenges and make a powerful impact on the society at large. My best wishes to the graduating batch of NIFT Mumbai.
Hi everyone, hope you all are safe and doing well. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to NIFT Mumbai for having me on the panel of jury. This has been really a great experience for me going through the presentation of all the students. I was really impressed by your documentation, your PowerPoint presentation, your conceptualizing, understanding of design, and not only we judge you, but when you present, it has been a learning experience for me as well. Now, even as you're passing out, I have got just 2 suggestions for you, probably which will keep you in good stead. One, that the situation outside is really difficult. These are not normal times, these are difficult times. So when you go out, don't lose your heart if you go through a phase of struggle. I pray and I wish that you crack as quickly as possible, but if you struggle for some time, don't worry about it, don't give up. Remember that saying which says, the tough time never lasts, but tough people do. Secondly, I would like to encourage you that all the investment and everything what has been deposited wholeheartedly by your visiting faculties, your regular faculties, try to put into practice. Don't only look for having a job, but look if you can set up your own business, you can have a startup. And especially remember that there are so many people in this country, there are so many artisans are there who are looking at you, that you will come alongside them and you will encourage them to do well in their life. The creativity which you have, the kind of skills you possess, and the kind of investment which has gone in a premium institute like NIFT, it's now your time to give back to the society, and you remember that as you establish, as you grow in your career. So thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. You do well. Be safe and do well. God bless.
Hi, congratulations to the graduating batch of 2021. I know it's been a difficult year, but now you've finally come to the other side. You're no more students. You are now on our side of being the alumni of NIFT. Design creates culture. Culture shapes values. Values determine the future. Always strive for 2 things, simplicity and clarity. So make it simple but significant. One thing that's good about us designers is that you can't use up the creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Let me tell you something about going to the industry and the real world. The real world is not as nice, as hunky-dory as it always looks like. You're going to face a lot of your fears, there are going to be a lot of disappointments. But there are a few things more liberating in this life than having your worst fears realized. Today I tell you that whether you fear it or not, disappointment will come. The beauty is that through disappointment you can gain clarity, and with clarity comes conviction and true originality. Work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen. I wish you good luck for your future and congratulations once again.
Thank you for your valuable time and support. As always, the thoughts you shared shall always guide these students in their journeys. Now we have tried to create a memory collage of how our students have spent time here at campus, building your portfolios and creating your career pathways. Let's see some of the memories of our industry visits, workshop sessions, industry interactions and classroom sessions. This would refresh the times that you have spent at NIFT, and I'm sure you will always cherish these memories. Then we would invite our students, Ms. Apurva Patvardhan, Ms. Bhagyada Parupkari and Ms. Rajkumar Pawar, to share some of their memories as a journey at NIFT Mumbai, culmination in their graduation day.
Hello all, my name is Apurva Patvardhan and I'm a 4th year Fashion and Lifestyle Accessory Design student at NIFT Mumbai. Today I'll be summarizing my 4 years at NIFT, and I'll also give a little brief about my graduation project. Narrating this experience is a bittersweet moment for me because it's a subtle realization that my 4th year has come to an end and that I'll be a graduate soon. If I had to sum up my 4 years, I would say that they were exciting and thrilling and definitely overwhelming at times. Along the way, I think it was a big learning curve for me, because of the people I met, the interactions I had, the experiences I had. And I think all of that really contributed in shaping the designer in me. The one thing I noticed was how motivated, or rather how self-motivated the students at NIFT are. Their sheer passion for their projects and their want to really finish these projects was very motivational for me. And like any other journey, this one also had its own ups and downs, and I tried to embrace all of them because I knew how unforgettable all of these moments are, and I wouldn't trade them for anything. And talking about experiences, there was one thing that I had never anticipated before, which was completing my graduation project of 16 weeks online. And as much as I wanted to complete it offline, and as much as I wanted to, do it along with my peers, this project wouldn't have been really possible if not for the constant communication and guidance of my faculty members. As I come to the end of the video, I think I would just like to say thank you to each and everyone who was a part of this journey. The faculty members, the department staff, and my peers, of course. Thank you, NIFT, for helping me channelize my love for design and for creating in general. But it is to these people that I owe my entire journey to. It's because of them that my journey is what it is. So yeah, thank you.
Hello, I'm Bhagyada Parokari, a 4th-year fashion and lifestyle accessory design student at NIFT Mumbai. I did my graduation project with Katran Kala, a Nagpur-based company working in craft and sustainability sector. I was placed as product designer in home decor and utility accessories, working solely with leather scraps. Working on the graduation project has been challenging and fun at times, but always ending on a satisfactory note. To be given the opportunity to learn and to execute the design principles learned in college and to take them forward with industry expert has pushed me on my learning curve. The responsibilities I carried out during this entire process, whether it was illustrating ideas, conceptualization, or making physical prototypes, has helped me to enhance the skills I own and forge new ones. The biggest teaching I received during this process is to understand that manufacturing a fully functional product from waste can be overwhelming at times, but it's the idea of conversion that matters more. This entire process was creatively stimulating, especially working in a sustainable bubble that gives a sense of pride and also helps the artisan to be mutually respected, to help them to grow economically stronger, and to conserve the art and craft alongside. And this would not have been possible without the guidance of my industry mentor, Ms. Pramila Uttam, my institution mentor, Mr. Kumar Sudipta, our CC, Mr. Shripati Bhatt, and all the other professors at FLA department in NIFT Mumbai. I will always be grateful for it. Thank you.
Hello all, this is Rajkava Pawar from NIFT Mumbai, and I'm here to share my experiences at NIFT. In all honesty, all my years at NIFT have been the best years of my life so far. The 4 years have taught me something that 17 years couldn't, and enlightened me in different ways. It opened my eyes to a new way of life, one that encouraged free thinking, independence, and responsibility. We have had our hectic days at college throughout the week. We also worked on weekends because of obvious reasons the submissions were due last week. But what kept us going were our friends, our gang, and our department. Internships and graduation projects have been nothing less than a milestone in our lives. They were the real-time experience in the industry, one that taught us so much with the help of our faculties. One thing that I'm really going to miss at NIFT is the positive and lively spirit of the campus. Every NIFTian is so passionate, so creative, and so enthusiastic That's everything that we had to learn was on campus. Thank you.
Thank you. You all worthy people, you refreshed the times in our thoughts as well. It was such a happy moment while listening to you all. As we all have seen together, the recent times have been marked with uncertainty concerning finances, employment, personal and professional relationships. A question often came up during this hardship for humanity. How can this uncertainty and anxiety be dealt with effectively? The answer is interaction. Also, we are doing one small bit of it here. As we interact here in this way, looking at the brighter scenery, we believe that these students shall prove to be better prepared for any undulations that they may see unfold before them in any formats unprecedented. With this, I wish good luck to these students and their parents once again. With this, we come to the commencement of never-ending creative journey that these students begin today on the auspicious occasion of their graduation day. So I would like to invite our campus academic coordinator, Professor Dr. Sushil Rathuri, to share his experience and guide our students for their road ahead.
Respected Shri Shantamanu, IAS Director General NIFT, Professor Dr. Vandana Narang, Dean NIFT, Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala, Director NIFT Mumbai, officers, faculty, staff, students and guests. It is my honor and joy to extend vote of thanks to all those who have contributed to make Virtual Graduation Show 2021 a grand success. On this occasion, we are privileged to have with us Shri Shantamanu, IAS Director General NIFT as chief guest. On the behalf of Director NIFT Mumbai and NIFT Mumbai faculty members, I would like to thank wholeheartedly Director General NIFT for gracing the occasion. Sir, all of us were highly motivated with your inaugural address, and I'm sure students and faculty will always remember your inspirational message. Thank you, sir. We are also thankful to Professor Dr. Vandana Narang, Dean NIFT, for guiding and inspiring NIFT faculty and nurturing academic activities. Thank you, ma'am, for your continuous support and guidance. I also take this opportunity to thank Director NIFT Mumbai, Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala, for his continuous support and guidance in matters related to academic and academic administration. On behalf of all the faculty, officer, staff and students, we would like to thank you for your support and guidance. I also take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders, the industry partners, alumni, guest faculty, sponsors, professionals from other organizations, international faculty, NIFT Mumbai faculty, officers, staff, students who are associated with NIFT Mumbai in various capacity for their support in making this event successful. Before I end, dear students and parents, I would like to congratulate you all on the accomplishment of this achievement, and I wish you a great professional success and fulfillment of your dreams. God bless you all. Thank you.